By the end of this video, you will know how to create this wavy text effect within After Effects. Let's jump right in. Okay, I am inside my composition. I've got a background just here with my gradient ramp on it, and I'm going to come and grab the text tool and type in some text. You can write whatever you want. Then I'm going to come down to the Align tab, this bit is important, and center it. Right, so then I'm going to right click on this and pre-compose. And I'm going to move all attributes. Then I'm going to jump inside. Then I'm going to go to composition settings, and I want to drag this number down so that we are just kind of surrounding this text. So I'm going to bring it down to about 180, and I'm going to drag this in as well, just slightly, maybe 800. I could come back to this in a second. So then I'll go back to my main comp, and I'm going to go to effects and presets and type in reptile. We can see the CC reptile effect. So I'm going to drop this onto my text comp, and if I start expanding these numbers, we're seeing that it's repeating. So it's going to go all the way down, all the way up. I'm actually going to come into this tiling tab and turn this to brick, so it's a little bit uneven. And this gap between the text is actually a little bit larger than I wanted it to be, just slightly. So I'm going to go into text comp, composition settings, maybe to 1755. Press OK, go back to the top, and you can see that's much more even now. I'm a lot happier with that. Okay, so now we're going to create this wave effect. So come over to effects and presets and type in turbulent. And I'm going to grab this turbulent displace effect and drop it onto our text comp. You can play around with these settings all you want. I'm actually just going to leave it, and I'm going to hold down Alt on the stopwatch. In this box down here, I'm going to type time times 100. And there you have it. And here's just a couple more examples. And these ones I've just put some stars in the background. On this one I've changed the color, made the text a bit smaller, and just done a gradient here. So you can get pretty creative. That is it for today. If you found this video helpful, giving it a like will let me know that I am on the right track. If you enjoy this kind of content, I make After Effects tutorials here on this channel. Make sure to check out this video because this is the one YouTube thinks that you should watch next. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!